So there's a lot of particularly community colleges dotted all over this country, and they might service like 2 or 3 communities, counties in area. And what we as recruiters might have is, oh, you need somebody that is in Podunk, Illinois, and you need them to be a manufacturing supervisor or whatever, manager, and you want me to just find somebody that's willing to drive to your middle of nowhere plant. Well, that's where I can find that community college that's close enough and start finding my graduates of that area, because they probably live in that area and they probably don't have a lot of job opportunities, meaning even if it's a county or 2 over, that still often means that I could pull somebody from there to come work my job.